back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe. Let's have some fun. Let's do tush, push. Here's a preview of the steps. Heel, touch, heel, heel, and heel. Touch, heel, heel, and heel, and heel, and heel. Clap and shake, get right, shake, get left, single right, left, and shuffle, and rock, recover, and shuffle, and rock, recover, and shuffle, left, pivot, turn, and shuffle, right, pivot, turn, quarter, pivot, turn, stomp, clap. That's it. All right, let's break it down because it's quite fast and it's done to many different songs. So it's a good dance to have in your tool belt. Here we go. Let's just have some fun. 7-8, right heel, right, touch, heel, heel, and left, touch, heel, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8 with words. Heel, touch, heel, heel, and heel, touch, heel, heel. With counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Moving on. Second 8. 3 heels and a clap. So your left foot's here. So we're gonna do an and heel, and right and left and right clap. Then we shake it right and shake it left, or shake it forward and back. So shake and shake. So we just finished our left heel. So we do 3 heels and right and left and right, clap and shake right and shake left. Yes. And the counts are, we're here, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Moving on. We're going to do 4 singles. Right, left, left. Make sure you put all your weight on your left, because you're going to pick up your right foot and do a shuffle and a rock, recover. So the next, after we did the clap and the hips, now we single it. Right, left, and shuffle and rock, recover. Shuffle forward with the right and a left, rock, recover, forward. And the counts are, for the third 8 singles, 1, 2, 3, 4, pick it up, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Yes, now we're going to go back. Shuffle with our left, go back, shuffle, right, rock, recover, Yes. Now we're going to do a shuffle and a half turn pivot over our right shoulder. So we're going to go forward, shuffle, left, half turn. All our weight's on our right, so we have to pick up our left, shuffle to the 6 o'clock wall, half turn, step on your left, and to finish, we do a quarter over our left shoulder and a stomp, clap, and then we start again. So after we do the double hips, we do right, left, and shuffle and rock, recover. Shuffle back, rock, recover. Shuffle forward, pivot, half, shuffle forward, pivot, half, pivot a quarter, and a stomp, clap. And the counts are, our doubles, our singles. 1, 2, 3, 4, pick it up. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count it from the top. Let's put it all together, starting with our heels. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More than 32 counts. Okay, let's do 2 walls. Starting with our home wall, 12 o'clock. With our right heels, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, touch, right, and left, touch, left, and left, and right. Clap and double it. Single it, right, left, pick it up, shuffle, and rock, recover, shuffle, and rock, recover. Now we turn, half turn, quarter turn, step, clap. Second wall, from the top, 5, 6 with counts, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Tush, push. I'll see you on the dance floor. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.